Z125 shifter and countershaft. Shifter seal, camshaft seal.
The approach to the rifle, making sure that we're nice and consistent. We talked about it's very sloppy. And the learning curve is ready to learn from the
oh, you little shit.
This morning with a little hot time. So this video really is going to be about step by step how to learn long range shooting. You've got to show you this because there's what's happening. You've got to the blinds. Stick my head in the shot 3 times and missed that. 3 times in a row. I like the cameras, man. I'm gonna watch. Yeah, we used to use that AutoZone down here. I mean, hashtag long ammo on all Eric Cortina's videos from now on. We're taking mercilessly about it. Alright, now let's dive into the personal instruction on long range shooting with Eric. But first, this video is sponsored by War Thunder. Dive into the excitement of War Thunder, a jaw-dropping AAA military action game that thrusts you into battles featuring real aircraft, ground units, and naval vessels. If you're not comfortable, you're not gonna be consistent. Okay? Now you want to line up behind the gun. Correctly, you got your right hand squeezing the bag, and your left hand is going to be working the trigger. Okay, for example, I'm looking at this elbow. It's resting on the ground, right? So that arm's not going to be floating. Now what I want you to do is
this strap down here.
keep doing the exact same thing you were doing, but now open your eyes. Don't aim, don't do anything. Now just simply open your eyes.
If his head's too big to get caught up.
It was for all the people coming in.
See that? Yeah, came back.
But you had to wait a
Dang. Just land, that's kind of it.
All right, now we're going to transition to the KYO rack.
Actually, dry fire, left to right, aiming at every target. When you get to the end, you start over. Okay? So that's how you're going to shoot that KYO. Yeah, so with my daughter, when I was teaching her the target acquisition, I was doing that at home. So I just printed the opposite on a piece of paper and then said, okay, now practice. And then I do it for 15 minutes, I do it again, and see the work faster, and everything. So this is the part that really you stop and you go back. You should be able to see where you think you're really moving. Okay? So you count 2, 4, 6. Wherever that hash mark is, then you move over.
Oh, you need a broadhead? There's something going on with your blue eye.
See exactly where it's hitting each time. Yeah, it's pretty recording. So. Also, this is a rare chance to get up close and see the master at work. Uh-oh.
I think it's tempo. Actually, unit C, it's 3 doors down. There's the ironwork guy next to me. He has a couple doors, and then on my door it says Frankenstein. Which row? The furthest one down. Right across the cascade.
All right.
Here's the jerky guy supposed to show up today, Bob.
and for the